think there's 2 of them there. See them blow? I have to stay at least 1,000 feet above them, otherwise the noise of the helicopter disturbs them. Oh, there's a baby calf right beside her. And she's got a male escort with her. Now the male escort may not be the father of the baby calf. There's some on the right as well. There's a pod there. Might be 6 whales out there or more. Now their fins are a white color, but underneath the water they always look pale blue. I count 9. Well, there might be 10, I don't know.